A very good morning, dear viewers. Welcome to this edition of the Breakfast News brought to you by DD News Meghalaya. Before we begin, let's take a look at the headlines. FKJGP MSBTC hold blood donation awareness program in Nongstoin. Kiddies Corner School Choir wins 2 gold medals in Thailand. Parliament passes Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026. United States President Donald Trump claims US Navy has 100% control of Strait of Hormuz. Meghalaya joins Har Ghar Tiranga campaign ahead of Independence Day. And now the news in detail. First, the local news. The Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people, in collaboration with the Meghalaya State Blood Transfusion Council, organized a blood donation awareness program at St. Francis DSCC College and Nongstoin College yesterday. MSBTC and Civil Hospital Nongstoin officials highlighted the importance, benefits and precautions of blood donation while encouraging young people to come forward as voluntary donors and maintain healthy lifestyles. Two persons were seriously injured after an Alto K10 collided with an A-Star car near Lomsoklor village along the Mairang Shillong Road in east and west Khasi Hills yesterday afternoon. The accident occurred around 1 p.m. reportedly after the Alto driver lost control while travelling at high speed. The injured driver and passenger were shifted to Civil Hospital Mairang while the A-Star driver escaped unhurt. Police have begun an investigation into the accident. As part of the 80th Independence Day celebrations, the West Garo Hills District Administration organized an inter-school quiz and essay writing competition in Tura. St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School secured first place in the quiz, followed by Don Bosco Higher Secondary School and Government Boys Higher Secondary School. The essay competition saw participation from 40 students. Winners of both competitions will be felicitated during the Independence Day celebration at Macha Kolgre on August 15th.
You are correct. Team A, we start your clock. Now you get 90 seconds for this. We start your clock now, Team A. Right, go ahead. Go slow. Yes, first one. First, which is your first choice? Patogan Sangma. Let's see. Yes, it is correct. Green. Next. Which is also known as superiority. Alright.
The Khasi Students' Union Shillong Mingi Circle has demanded the demolition of an alleged unauthorized structure at the CBI campus in Mariangdiang. The KSU submitted a memorandum to Urban Affairs Director P.K. Boro on Monday, alleging that the construction violates the approved building permission. The organization has given the department 1 to 1.5 weeks to act, failing which it warned of protests at the Urban Affairs Office or CBI premises.
Met with the director, we stressed upon many points. After we have got the reply from them that the structure of the building of the CBI campus, which is in Maudiangden, was given a permission to construct only a office cum residential complex. So we stressed the director that he should demolish point one. He should demolish that structure, and then he should not alter any permission after that. The CEO, while talking with the CEO has asked for an extra time, uh, telling us that he will be needing to go point wise to the issues that we have written to them, especially to the urban affairs. We have not written anything to the CBI because last time when we went there, the CBI was not in a mood in talking with us, showing their attitude and all. So after that, we got the reply, knowing that the land was allotted by urban affairs. So it is our duty bound to pressure the urban affairs, knowing that that line.
Kiddies Corner School's choir was welcomed in Shillong yesterday after winning 2 gold medals and a special jury award at the 3rd Thailand International Choral Festival held from August 3rd to 7th. The choir, the only Indian group at the festival, competed in 2 categories and was named the most inspirational choir. With 25 members, the team also showcased Khasi songs and Meghalaya's cultural heritage on the international stage. News across the Northeast. The Indian Ports Association has contributed Rs 5 crore towards flood relief efforts in Assam. Senior officials Sushil Kumar Singh and Vikas Narwale handed over the contribution to Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma in Guwahati yesterday. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal said the assistance will support relief and rehabilitation efforts for people affected by the floods across the state. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued an orange warning for Himachal Pradesh and East Rajasthan for heavy to very heavy rainfall tomorrow. Heavy rain is also expected at isolated places in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Chhattisgarh, Gangetic West Bengal, Gujarat, Haryana, Delhi and several other states. The IMD has also forecast isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over the western Himalayan region during the week. Now the national news. Parliament has passed the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026, with the Rajya Sabha returning it to the Lok Sabha after discussion. Moved by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, the bill amends tax laws to attract investment, strengthen manufacturing, support India's data center ecosystem, and promote diamond trading. Sitharaman also clarified that the bill does not impose any tax or transaction charge on UPI users, while assuring that consumers and small merchants will not have to pay MDR charges on UPI.
What does this amendment do about the UPI? So the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill, as we call this Bill 2026, which has been passed by the Lok Sabha, which is now being discussed here, proposes to amend Section 10A of the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007. The amendment is an enabling provision. It does not impose any tax or transaction charge on UPI users. Let this be clear. The enabling provision that we are bringing in today does not impose any tax or transaction charge on UPI users. It enables the government to specify through notification the electronic payment modes that will continue to receive statutory protection against charges. Once the bill is passed in Parliament, the UPI and Services Steering Committee, headed by the National Payments Corporation of India, will consider and decide whether any MDR should be introduced, and if so, its scope and structure.
News across the globe. As India gears up to celebrate its 80th Independence Day, Russian cosmonauts aboard the International Space Station have extended warm greetings to the people of India. Highlighting the strong Indo-Russian partnership in space, they pointed to India's growing self-reliance in the space sector and the Gaganyaan human spaceflight mission, while recalling Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin's historic visit to India. The message also celebrated the Tiranga as a symbol of India's freedom, unity and growing achievements in space.
To cooperation between.
In November 1961, he visited India and said that India is very beautiful from above, but it is even more beautiful on earth. It is special because it is home to true friends. The friendship between our countries has been time-tested, and space exploration is one of the main areas of our cooperation. It started with the launch of the first Indian satellite Aryabhata in 1975 and followed by the flight of the first Indian cosmonaut Rakesh Sharma in 1984. Today, India creates its own main spacecraft, Gaganyaan, and Indian Gaganauts have already been trained at the Yuri Gagarin.
United States President Donald Trump has claimed that the United States Navy currently has 100% control over the strategically important Strait of Hormuz. Trump described the US blockade as an infallible steel wall, saying American forces are deciding which vessels are allowed to pass through the waterway. He said ships are being permitted to enter and leave the strait, but are not allowed to proceed into Iran. Trump's remarks come amid heightened tensions over the strategic waterway, a major route for global energy supplies.
They're not open now. We're taking a lot of ships. It's open now. Look, the only one that has control of the Strait of Hormuz right now is the United States Navy. We have a blockade that's been infallible. It's a steel wall. And we let people in that we want to let in, and those people come in, and they've been coming in and they're going out. So it's actually open now. We do not let them go into Iran. They're not admitted into the strait to go to Iran. But it's open for others. Now, a little bit complex because they will, on occasion, drop a mine, and we find the mines. You know, we've mine swept the entire strait, as you probably maybe heard, maybe you didn't hear. But we control the strait 100%. Now, can they make trouble? Yeah, they can make trouble. But they're broke. They have no money. You know, Iran is broke, totally broke. And they're not paying their soldiers. They have inflation of 300% as of last night. I heard 309%.
At least 47 people were killed and dozens of buildings collapsed after a powerful 7.4 magnitude earthquake struck western Colombia yesterday. Several people were trapped under debris and many others were injured, while residents as far as the capital, Bogota, evacuated their homes. The epicenter was reported near San Jose del Palmar in the Choco region at a depth of around 66 miles. The tremor was also felt in neighboring Ecuador. As India prepares to celebrate its 80th Independence Day, the Tiranga is set to fly high across the country, symbolizing pride, unity and freedom. Adopted in its present form on July 22, 1947, the flag features the Ashoka Chakra representing truth, righteousness and progress. The flag code was amended in 2021 to allow machine-made and non-khadi flags while restricting their use on items such as handkerchiefs, cushions and clothing worn below the waist. Here's a detailed report.
Hello friends and welcome back to How Well Do You Know Our Tiranga? Video 2. Ready for another round of Tiranga trivia? Let's see how many of these facts surprise you. When was our national flag officially adopted? Take a guess. The Tiranga in its present form was adopted on 22nd July 1947, just weeks before India became independent. Every version of the flag before that tells a story of our freedom struggle, making the Tiranga a powerful symbol of India's journey to independence. Here's the next question. Why does our flag have the Ashoka Chakra instead of the spinning wheel? Did you know this? When the Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag in July 1947, the spinning wheel or charkha was replaced with the Ashoka Chakra, symbolizing truth, righteousness and the continuous movement of life and progress. Here's one that might surprise you. Until 2021, the Indian national flag could only be made from khadi or hand-spun, hand-woven fabric. Using any other material wasn't allowed under the flag code. Khadi flags were traditionally made using cotton, silk or wool. And things changed in 2021. The Government of India updated the flag code to allow machine-made flags and the use of other materials like polyester and non-khadi cotton or silk, making the Tiranga more widely available. One last question. Can the Indian national flag be printed on handkerchiefs, cushions, napkins or clothing worn below the waist? The flag code does not allow the national flag to be used on items such as cushions, napkins, handkerchiefs, undergarments or any clothing worn below the waist. It also should not have any lettering or words printed on it. How many of these did you already know? 5 out of 5? 3.5? Or did you learn something new today? If you found this fact interesting, share it with your family and friends. The more we know about our Tiranga, the better we can honor it. Jai Hind.
Now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 81%. Rainfall 8.5 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 84%. Rainfall 4.7 millimeters. Meanwhile in Joai, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 82%. Rainfall 3.4 millimeters. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Joai says moderate rain with thunderstorm likely to occur at many places. Before we wind up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. FKJJP MSBTC hold blood donation awareness program in Nongstoin. Kiddies Corner School Choir wins 2 gold medals in Thailand. Parliament passes Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026. US President Donald Trump claims US Navy has 100% control of Strait of Hormuz. Meghalaya joins Har Ghar Tiranga campaign ahead of Independence Day. Thank you for starting your morning with the breakfast news. Don't go anywhere as the Khasi News Bulletin is coming up next. For updates throughout the day, do connect with us on our social media platforms. I'm Rasenika Pirbhat. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.
Kani kadai kadudashan Meghalaya ban ngipidang sombhai pi baro shakithup Khubor jangi menta ka step. Shwapan phai shiki Khubor ki babanya ngini pet shwaye ki mat bakongsan. Penlong ka FKJGP bat ka MSBTC ya ka awareness program halor gajing ais nam hanongstein. Khur ka kenhuan roi jong ka school kiddies corner artili kitak maksial ha Thailand. Pidyang ka dorbar thau an ya ka an khajna bat ki wei ki an amendment bill 2000 rio. Kam u Donald Trump balayo senshar pura ki shipai duriaw ka Amerika ya ka Strait of Hormuz. Bat ya shimbenta ka Meghalaya ha ka har khar tiranga shua kasni rakhe ya kasni laj luat kari India. Mentang ina phai shwa shaki Khubor na kaleng jila. Ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP ringkat kejingetray lang bat ka Meghalaya State Blood Transfusion Council MSBTC kilapelong ya ka awareness program halor kejing aisnam kabalapelong ha St. Francis D Assisi College bat nongstan menin kasngi. Ki he officer ka MSBTC bat ka Civil Hospital nongstan kila pinshai halor ka jingdon kam ka jingyo jingmentoy bat kila jingyada hakapor ba aisnam da ka bakinturu ya ki khana samla ban wan shakmat ban aisnam da ka man snobha bat ban sumarya ka kwat ka khya lingba karu kom em ka bakwat ka bakhya.
Lecikam snobhari lecikam di script di rumah di rocks di teknan mereka jadi kami ada kata kajimpa cincang berkurang nam kita pinopting bantai yang kesenang kita tidak dan lepas banyak kebapai kerja pinopting pinom setting bantuan semat nama soal air kesenang jom biru di dokter ini saya lupa tapi yang yang kesenang ini kepinsuan konstruksi pinsu yang kesenang jom biru di dawan kita cek kesenang jom biru yang anak pemerintah air sanitasi itu lagi masa bersih kesenang di dokter ini cek lupa yang kesenang
Henin kasngi arngut kibriyo kilamen saujer hadian bakaway ka alto keten kalayating khu bat kaway ka kali A-star hajan kashnong lum sok klur hakasura Mairang Shillong ha Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Kani kajingja kalaja hakapor shibije mensingi hadian ba unongnya ya ka alto u klemna shu bante lakam namar kajingpan he step palat. Ya unongnya ka alto bat kinongshong bat kibashong lang lapenket marmar sa Civil Hospital Mairang. Kat ba unongnya jong ka A-star pat ulalat pet klem jing mensaw. Ki pulit kila pelong ya ka jing tok kit halor gani ka jing ja accident. Kum shibenta ka jing rakhe ya ka jing dap ba prop house nem ka sngi jong ka jing lat luet. Ki Bor Penya District jong ka West Garo Hills kila pelong ya ka jing yakop kintep bat ka jing yakop tho SA hapo tura. Ka Saint Xavier Higher Secondary School kalayo bandra ya ka Kerdan ban Ningkong penbuat da ka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School bat ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School ha ka Kerdan ka Baar bat ka Balai. Kani ka jing Yakob kalasakhi ya ka jing Yeshimenta jong sau phongat ki khana school. Ya ki nongjob jong kini ki jing Yakob en sa penkop buram ha ka jing rakhe ya ka si jing light luet ka ban salong ha matcha kolgri ha ka khatsan tere jong unailar.
We start your clock now, female, right, go ahead.
Go
slow, yes, first one. First, which is your first choice? Pathogan Sangma, let's see. Yes, it is correct, green. Next, which is also known as supernuity. Alright, supernuity 1857, revolt of 1857, which of these freedom fighters were associated with? Here it is. Alright, we start your clock now, Kim Ji. Which fight? Yes, louder.
Rani Lakshmibai.
Rani Lakshmibai. Yes, correct.
Ka Khasi Students Union Shillong Meet Circle, Kaladawa ban pen prai ka jingte ka ba klem jing bit hapo ka campus jong ka CBI ka ba hap hamauding diang. Ka KSU kala IT ka Dorcas sha u director ka Urban Affairs u PK Boro menin kasngi. Da ka ba ong ba ka te ka jingte kala pen ken ka jing bit te yeng ka bala menjur. Ka seng kala ai por ya ka tanat kumba shitayo shiteng ban shimkhia ya kani ka kam balada kamla ban ne hapo kani ka por ka seng kala maham bakan penlong da ka jing ki ha ka office jong ka Urban Affairs lani ka jaka tre kam jong ka CBI.
Met with the director, we stress upon many points. After we have got the reply from them that the structure of the building of the CBI campus, which is in Maudiangden, was given a permission to construct only a office cum residential complex. So we stress the director that he should demolish, point one, he should demolish that structure, and then he should not alter any permission after that. The CEO, while talking with the CEO has asked for an extra time, telling us that he will be needing to go point wise to the issues that we have written to them, especially to the Urban Affairs. We have not written anything to the CBI because last time when we went there, the CBI was not in a mood in talking with us, showing their attitude and all. So after that, we got the reply, knowing that the land was allotted by Urban Affairs. So it is our duty bound to pressure the Urban Affairs.
Ka ken huan roi jong ka school kiddies corner kala sha pedang songba menin ka singi hanongba shillong hadin ka jingla jong ka bankhur hadu artili ki takmak siar bat ka special jury award ha ka Thailand International Choral Festival kabalai kabala long nadu ka lai tarik hadu ka nyo tarik mentau banai kate ka ken huan roi kabala mi khmat tang marwei na India bani shimbanta ha ka te ka takma lekmen kabala shimbanta hadu artili ki jinga khun Bat kalal sha jiet kum ka most inspirational choir. Ringkat arfusan ngot kidkhot. Kate ka kenhuan kalala ban pen sawa ya ka jingrwai khasi, bat pen pau ya ka kolshor bat ka riti duster, jong ka Meghalaya ha ka rensan jong ka perthai.
Where we got 2 gold medals for both the categories, and we also got a special award for being the most inspirational choir. The opening ceremony in the White in Kasi.
How many countries?
7.
7. From India?
No, only us from India. We were the first choir from India to ever represent our country at this competition. 2 gold and 1 special jury award. Oh, we would love to travel to other places too, but because of the financial situations, it was not easy. Because to go to something like this, we require a lot of funds. I hope that we will be able to get it through the things that we do. Because we really want our music to go out of the Northeast. And to hear after the opening ceremony, all the Indonesian choirs, all of them were singing the song Oi Oi when they were going back. At least now other countries are learning Khasi songs. So I'm really proud about that. And they all found the choir, like they said, the most disciplined choir, very hospitable. So the children did a very good job promoting our state. And I'm so proud of that actually. Yeah, because we're representing the country, I think it's an honor for us. And I think it's an honor for everyone because I'm saying now Khasi music is being shown to the world, and now they've realized what music, because we are so different from the other countries. And that's what the judges said, our music is really pure, very gentle, and that's what they really loved about it. Whereas the other countries are very loud, and we had only 25, the other countries had 40, 50 choir members.
Mentang ine pai shiki Khubor na kaleng ka than chate lami. Ka seng trong ki ka ling du riau trong kari India ni ka India Ports Association kala no sinyang san clothing ka kum ka jingarap shakiba shemlanot ha ka jing shlei ha Assam. Ki nong yalamba halor bakin thop ya Sushil Kumar Singh bat u Vikas Narvale kila ay ka ni ka jingarap trong ki sha u mentri rangba ka jila u Himanta Biswa Sarma henin kasingi ha Guwahati. U mentri ka sarkar pedeng u Sarbanada Sonowal u laong bakani ka jingarap kan sakershan kila jingarap bat ay jing tingen nakabanta ki brio ki bla shakta hakani ka jingshlei hakaleng jong ka jila. Ka India Meteorological Department kalapin mi ka orange warning nakabanta ka jilla Himachal Pradesh bat East Rajasthan nakabanta namar ka jing hap slap ka bajur lashai ka si. Lakmi lentiru ka jing hap slap ka bajur hakijaka ki bahab hakibanta bakham kendong jong ka jilla Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Chhattisgarh, Janjatik West Bengal, Gujarat, Haryana, Delhi bat ki wei pat ki jilla. Ka IMD kalayathu luparu ba endon ka jing hap slap ka bajur hakitha in Western Himalayan hakani ka tayo. Mentang ini phai shiki Khubor ne kaleng kari. Ka dorbar thau an kalapedang ye ka an khajna bat ki wei ki an amendment bill 2018 hadian ba ka Rajya Sabha kalapha byang ye ka shaka Lok Sabha hadian ki jingyatai. Ka bill ka balawan ra da ka mentri bade pet ye ka plating ka Nirmala Sitharaman ka penbet thama ye ki an khajna ban kring ye ka jing baiting ka ban pin khlan ye ka jing pin mi mar ban kirshan ye ka data center ecosystem jong kari bat ban kentiu ye ka jing khayi ye ki maulanai. Ka mentri kalapin shairu bakani ka bill kambu ya ka nu ka khajna ni ka transaction charge halor ki bapendan kam ya ki UPI. Kalapin tikanaru bakinong thiet bat kinong khayi red kin nomdan kam ban siu ya ki MDR charge ha ki jing etre kam lengba ka UPI.
This amendment do about the UPI. So the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill, as we call this Bill 2026, which has been passed by the Lok Sabha, which is now being discussed here, proposes to amend Section 10A of the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007. The amendment is an enabling provision. It does not impose any tax or transaction charge on UPI users. Let this be clear. The enabling provision that we are bringing in today does not impose any tax or transaction charge on UPI users. It enables the government to specify through notification the electronic payment modes that will continue to receive statutory protection against charges. Once the bill is passed in Parliament, the UPI and Services Steering Committee, headed by the National Payments Corporation of India, will consider and decide whether any MDR should be introduced, and if so, its scope and structure.
Mentang ini phai shiki Khubor ne kaleng ka prathai. Katba kari kadang pen kre ban rakhe kasi jing lai luet ba prapho jangka ki cosmonaut jangkari Russia ki badan hapua jangka International Space Station ki lapha ya ka Khubor jing khublei nadu ka donut shakipa nongshong shnong jangka India. Ka lama lai rong tirangka ka yai beteng ban ai mensiam ban penyatili ya ki brio de ka bara ya ka mensiam ka jing lai luet bat ka jing yatili jangkari India kham shalor bat kham kenjang na ka perthei bat wat shadu shaka how.
In November 1961, he visited India and said that India is very beautiful from above, but it is even more beautiful on earth. It is special because it is home to true friends. The friendship between our countries has been time-tested, and space exploration is one of the main areas of our cooperation. It started with the launch of the first Indian satellite Aryabhata in 1975, and followed by the flight of the first Indian cosmonaut Rakesh Sharma in 1984. Today, India creates its own main spacecraft, Gaganyaan, and Indian Gaganauts have already been trained at the Yuri Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center.
President ka Amerika Donald Trump ulakamba ki sipai di uriau ka Amerika menta ka kenti ka dan 6% ka jingla ban senshar halo ka Strait of Hormuz kabalong ka weini ki ka jingya ki ba kongsan bha ha ka perthei Trump ulabatai baya ka jingkhang jong ka United States kum ka kenro nar ka ba omla ban pen khalam da ka ba ong ba ki sipai Amerika ki la rai ba ki nuki lieng ki bala ban ya lengba ka ni ka lenti Ula ongru baya ki lieng endang sha ban rung pat mi na ka Strait of Hormuz Henry ken sha pat ban yat shapo ka Iran. Kini ki jing kren jong Trump ki lawan hapadeng ka jing kiu ka jing ken at halor ka ni ka linti ka ba kongsan. Ka balong ka wei ni ki linti ba kongsan tam ban pinpoy ye ki mar pin mi bor sha ki penta ba pher jong ka perthai.
It's open now. We're taking a lot of shit. It's open now. Look, the only one that has control of the Strait of Hormuz right now is the United States Navy. We have a blockade that's been infallible. It's a steel wall. And we let people in that we want to let in, and those people come in, and they've been coming in and they're going out. So it's actually open now. We do not let them go into Iran. They're not admitted into the Strait to go to Iran. But it's open for others. Now, a little bit complex because they will, on occasion, drop a mine, and we find the mines. You know, we've mine swept the entire strait, as you probably maybe heard, maybe you didn't hear, but we control the strait 100%. Now, can they make trouble? Yeah, they can make trouble, but they're broke. They have no money. You know, Iran is broke, totally broke, and they're not paying their soldiers. They have inflation of 300% as of last night. I heard 309%.
Hadu saupunyong wat kibriu kila du no ia laga jing bat buantili ki jing te mala kila kelan no hadien ba ujumai ba klan buar hadu 0.7 magnitude ulaki ha ki benta ba shathi jong kari Colombia henin kasni katu kat ni kibriu kila sakut hapo ki jing te balapra bat buanru ki balamensa kat ba ki nong shong shnong hapo jong kanong ba begota kila haban pet yeng no kani ka jing khnyu la ong ba kalaja hajan ka San Jose del Palmar kabahap hakatan joko haga jing jeliu ba henriu penriu mer lo ongru bakiri ba marjan kum ka Ecuador ru kila yo ban mat ikani ga jing khnyu jong ka khando Katba ka India kadang pen kre ban rakhi ka singi jing lai luet ba prap ho jong ka lama lai rong ka long ka bala kre ban her shajong shalor hakaleng jong ka ri ka ba pen paw ya kadak jong ka jing sarong ka jing etli bat ka jing lai luet kumba ka dur jong ka lama ka long menta la pedyang ning kong e ha ka arfo artrek unaitung 6000 khandai spa saupunyo bat ka don ya ka ashoka chakra ka bayang sakhi ya ka jing shisha ka hok bat ka jing kiu shaprang ka flag code bala pen thamai ha wa arajar arfuwe kala ai jing bet iga jing penun kam ki jan ki bomdei ki khadi bat ki bala bansu de ki kor da ka ba per king pat iga jing penun kam jong ki haki mar ki mata kum ki cushion ki napkin ki jan rumal ki jan red lani ki jan bala phong harum ka singkai tungin ya ngap menta ya ka jing batai ka ba penya
Kublai sa sisian ya pi ki parlok nong pe baru bat ni piang subha biang ya pi sa ka benta ba buat halor ka phang hadu katlu pitem syapang katirangka jongi. Video 2. Hatu pilong ki bala kre na kabenta ka weipat ka kela jingkan tep habaya dei bat katirangga. Tungin ya pet katlu teli na kini ki jing sisa ki ba penlengo ya pi. menula pediang pura ya kalama kari jongi ya katirangga hakadur bakalong menta la pediang haka arpu aterek unaitung khat khendai spa saupinyo tangkat tukat ni tayo haswa baka India kan yo ya ka jinglai luit kawai pakawai ke benta jong kalama haswa kata kaya thu ya ka khana jong ka jingya khun lai luit jongi kaba penlong ya kitirangga kum kadak kaba klanbor jong ka jingya lenti ke India ban yo ya ka jinglai luit balai kalama jongi ka don ya ka ashoka chakra haga jaka jong ka kor thirksai ne ka spinning wheel hatu pitip ya kane haba ka constituent assembly kala pediang ya kalama kari haunai tung jong usnam khat khendai spa sa pinyo la bujlino ya ka kor thirksai la ni ka spinning wheel charkha da ka ashoka chakra kaba thau ya ka jing shisha ka hok bat ka jingyai beteng ha ka jingya jong ka jing em bat ka jing kieu shaprang hang ni kadon kan ni ka wei ka bala ban pendengo ya phi hadu usnam arhajar arpuwe ya kalama kari India la banshna tang na kijan khadi kata kajan bala than da kakti hagaju kapor la khang persya ban penangkam da ka weipat ka jan hapo jong ka flag code ya ki lama khadi lashna da ka penangkam ya upen phat sai rusam ni usai wul Henry ka danpat ka jingkala ka usnam arhajar arpuwe Kasorkar India kala pentemai ka flag code ban ailat ni sya yaki lama balasna daki kortrikam bat ban penengkam yaki weipat ki jatjan kum ka polyester ken phat ni rusam ki bomde ki khadi ka ba penlong pat ya ka tirangga ka bala ban yo pat ba dabaro ka ba khaddu hatula ban shon ya kalama India hagi jan rumal ki cushion napkin ni ki jan balapong harum ka singkai Kaflak kuat kamsya ban penengkam ya kalama kari hakimar ki mata kum ki cushion ki napkin ki jan rumal ki jan red lani ki jan balapong harum ka singkai kam deiru bandan ki nu ki jing tho dak ni kentien balason haka kat nuteli na pedang kini ki ba pilatip lepa san la san lai la san lani hatu pilayo ya ki jing tip batmai benta kasni Lada pisiam bakani kalong ka basngot tenat ya samlang bat ki bahayeng hasam bat ki lok ki jor jongpi kat bangi nang tip susu syapang katirangga jongi katang inang la ban buram yaka jehin
Ti mentang ini pet ye jing long jing man kasen beneng hakaleng ka benta jong ka jela Hatura kajing shit kalong lipaway degree Celsius, kajing kret kalong arpasaw degree Celsius, kajing singam ka haw kalong prapaway na kashispa, kajing hap slap kalong pra.1 millimeter. Haba pai pa chanong ba shilong kajing shit kalong apun riw degree Celsius, kajing kret kalong khat khandai degree Celsius, kajing singam ka haw kalong praposaw na kashispa, kajing hap slap kalong 0.9 millimeter. Kabahaju waipat kajing shit kalong arpanyo degree Celsius, Kajing kret kalong khat khandai degree Celsius, kajing singam ka haw kalong prapo a na kashispa, kajing hap slap kalong 0.9 millimeter, kajing batay kajing long kasunbeneng hatura shilong ba juwai, kala bandon kajing hap slap ba kajing tit uperthat haki babuan ki jaka. Shwaban poi shakabakut ketup Khubor nginipet beng sa shisien yikimat bakongsan. Penlong ka FKJGP bat ka MSBTC ya ka awareness program halo gajing Aisnam Hanongstan. Khur ka kenhuan wai jang ka school kiddies corner artili kita maksiat ha Thailand. Pediang ka dorbar tauan ya ka an kajna bat kiwe ki an amendment bill arajar at Rio. Kam Donald Trump balayo sinsha pura ki sipai duriaw ka Amerika ya ka Strait of Hormuz. Bat isim mentaka Meghalaya haka harkar tirangka shwa kasni rakhi kasni light luit kari India. Ti parlok kat tungi lapoi syaka pokot jang katup Khubor jangi mentaka sedap hadu bangin de syam yang bat pi shibit ke janmiet kublei pi baro.